Hello, my friends. A couple of years ago, I did a swipe painting, which I then brush painted a little still life on. And here's a little card of it I made, the original sold. And I'd like to kind of try to duplicate this. So I'm going to try it again. The white is what appears to be kind of the tablecloth area, and the black will be the background. Now for this one I used gold and bronze, I think it was, for my swipe, or for the colors. But this time around I'm using, rather than bronze, I'm going to use copper. And I have two different golds here. These are all, I think, well no, these two are Extreme Sheen. This one, Champagne Gold, is Dazzling Metallics. And here the golds look different. But when I mix them up, here's the copper, the golds are very similar looking. And it's hardly worth, they're very identical. It's really odd. So I'm going to add to this one, to try to change it up, I'm going to add some ColourArte Vivid Intense in Tuscan Gold and see if I can enrich this color a bit. Of course, I don't want it to end up like copper, but I'm only going to add a little bit. 3 drops. Let's see how that works. Needs more. I'll add another 3. Somebody's getting a new roof, I think. Can you hear that noise there? Let's see now. Well, this one's definitely warmer. I'm going to add 3 more. Four. Okay, this will be it. Okay, I can see the difference now. I hope you can. So I'm going to pause here and put down the black and white background, tilt it out, and then I'll return and we'll do the swipe together. Okay, time to swipe. I'm only going to use the gold on the tablecloth part because I just think the copper wouldn't look right. So I'm going to just do 2 golds for the table, and the tablecloth rather, and let's get to that. When this dries, I can even out that line and make it perfectly straight. I'm going to be swiping the white over these colors. I didn't add any silicone. This is just Floetrol. And here we go. Wish me luck. Paper towel into the white. And swipe. I always kind of hold my breath as I'm doing that part. A little wiggly, but that lends itself to the wrinkled look. I tell myself that because there's nothing I can do about it. Getting some nice little cell action there. Oops, oops, oops. A little black. I'm gonna stop there. I don't want any black in here. Let's try again. How can I fix that? Let's see. There may be no avoiding it. Let's see, that wasn't going to work. I don't know. Still a little tiny speck of black, but that's okay. Okay. I think that'll be okay. Now, I'm going to turn it around so I can pull towards myself. I forgot to put gloves on. All right, now the copper and golds. Before I lay those down, I'm going to run a bead of black. Kind of straighten it out a little bit and give me more to swipe with. All right, now I have this large piece of plastic, just with came off some packaging of something. And I'm just going to do one big swipe. In the black only, I hope. Oh, the copper is so glossy, isn't it? But it's pretty. It is very pretty. Okay. Oh, nice reaction there. Swipe that one little section there, or should I just leave it alone? I should just leave it alone, but I'm not going to. Well, that might not have been a good idea. Now I've got a big black stripe there with a dodo. I guess I could put a... I don't want to tilt because I just don't want to mess up my verticals here. I guess I'll do this. Try again. Okay, I'm going to have to live with that. Okay, that's pretty much what I was going for. It's much more vibrant background than this was, but it might work. The tabletop looks a lot like that, so I'm pleased with that. I'll bring you in for a closer look. It's pretty enough that it could be, I could leave it alone, have it be a standalone piece, but you know me, that's not going to happen. But look at that, copper, whoa. Very reactive. That looks so dimensional. Okay, well, that's part one. I'll show you when I decide what to paint on there when it's done. Until then, my friends, thank you for watching.